Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a highly requested review of one of the hottest cosplay items out there.
The Gegexli anime The Rising of the Shield Hero Cosplay costume.
If you're a fan of Naofumi Iwatani and The Rising of the Shield Hero, you won't want to miss this. Right off the bat, let me tell you why this is hands down the best Shield Hero cosplay available. Made from high-quality polyester, this ensemble includes everything you need to transform into Naofumi.
The top, cloak, trousers, belt, gloves, and accessories.
It's all there, meticulously crafted for authenticity. The craftsmanship here is impressive.
Each piece boasts fine stitching and attention to detail, ensuring durability and a look that's straight out of the anime.
Plus, it's designed in standard Asia sizes, so be sure to check the size chart in the item description for the perfect fit. Now, let's talk fabric. It's polyester, which means it's lightweight and easy to care for.
Just remember, it's hand wash only to preserve those vibrant colors and intricate designs.
What I love most about this cosplay set is its completeness. It's not just a costume, it's an experience.
The cloak flows just right, the accessories add that extra flair, and overall, it's comfortable to wear.
Whether you're at a convention or a themed party. Now, you might find cheaper options out there, but trust me, they won't match up in terms of quality.
When it comes to cosplay, especially for a character as iconic as Naofumi, you want something that looks great and lasts. Gegexli delivers on both fronts. So, if you're looking to step into the shoes of Naofumi Iwatani from The Rising of the Shield Hero, look no further.
Click the link in the description to get your own Gegexli cosplay costume today. And hey, if you enjoyed this review,
don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews just like this one.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep cosplaying like a pro.